Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's a big old deal. It's your big homie, Lil Brian, and all that. Today we over here at Cheesecake Factory. So, you know, I got me a little appetizer to start the day off. You feel me? So, pretty much, we got the little avocado sauce with some cilantro. You know what I'm saying? Give you some pico de gallo to go with it. We got the Mexi-Tex. Okay, my bad, baby. They had some chicken. You know what I'm saying? You can see the corn with the black beans and all that. Ooh, I haven't ate all day, by the way. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. These are a must. They brought these out immediately too. Like I literally just got done ordering. We didn't even get the bread yet. Okay, we just hit it with just a little bit. Stay tuned. So now we got the bread. The bread is hot too. Honestly, this one's my favorite. We're gonna start with this one. They both good, to be honest with you. Love bread. I can just eat this by myself at the crib. You feel me? Ain't playing no games. And shout out to my homie Zach too. He just hit me up. But it's really crunchy. See, clearly it's softer. It's not like all crunchy, but this one's my favorite though. If it had that Texas Roadhouse cinnamon, bomb. I love bread, but I can just eat bread all day though. Alright, so we back at it. We got the main course. So my rice with the black beans, with the 3 chili enchiladas, so with the avocado, cream and all that, you know what I'm saying? And then, your boy had to get the pasta, man. And a little Alfredo with some shrimp and all that. That's how I be living. And good, because I love shrimp. I love it. Look, I'm gonna give one with a little. Look at it. I hit it with that Parmesan for y'all.
What does it taste like?
The noodles are they're very thick, as you can tell. The shrimp is good. Me personally, I would have grilled it a little bit more, but that's just me. That's not the way they do it here. I probably could have preferenced it for it though, but I for sure am gonna give it about an 8 out of 10. All right, time for the green chili chicken enchiladas. Ooh, look at all that avocado. Well, I gotta try the black beans. I love me some black beans. They taste good. They're just regular. The rice, I feel like they could it's regular, but I feel like they still could have spiced it up a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It's the main dish right here. Ooh. Let me get this side of here. Ooh. Chili. Let me see if it gives a taste. We have to use a kickstand on you. I'm gonna say it's mild, but it's good though. It's not hot. And then I gotta try a little bit of avocado for y'all with a little bit of onion. I mean, for your American style, it's cool. Me personally, you can skip the rice, get the for sure with the black beans. I'm gonna for sure give this at least this a 7, but it's good. It's edible. I'm still going.